Ariane Cap transformed her course completion from a mere 4% to an impressive 50%. How did she do it? Her journey began with a love for music, specifically playing the bass guitar, which ignited her passion for teaching. Cap's early music experiences included piano and flute in diverse bands before she discovered her true love, the bass guitar. While touring with Cirque du Soleil, she taught music lessons, quickly growing her business from home to a larger school. In 2012, she embraced the digital world, launching Ari's Bass blog, allowing her to connect with students globally. She didn't just transition to online teaching. She also built a vibrant community that was vital for her students' success. Cap founded her music school on Thinkific, which streamlined her online courses and significantly enhanced her teaching experience. Alongside her courses, Cap wrote best-selling books in 2015 and 2021, including engaging video lessons to accompany them. Combining both live and self-paced courses, she offers students flexibility, making it easier for them to achieve their goals. To maintain motivation, Cap introduced an innovative coaching system, pairing students with alumni who guide them through coursework. With the introduction of Thinkific Communities, her students became more engaged, leading to remarkable completion rate boosts. These communities provided a supportive space for shared struggles, helping students realize that learning can be imperfect but rewarding. Cap's audience consists mainly of adults keen to learn, from hobbyists to retirees exploring new passions in music. She placed great importance on understanding her audience, utilizing feedback forms to tailor her offerings to their needs. Quality over quantity was her mantra. She focuses on actionable content that delivers immediate benefits to her students. Cap also learned to value her work, raising course prices while providing flexible payment options to encourage accessibility. Her commitment to student success drives her forward, urging her to expand her methods and create more valuable resources.